In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for task management. To get started, log into your monday.com account and open the workspace where you want to manage your tasks. Your workspace is the main area where your boards live, so this is where everything will be organized for your team or project. Once you're inside the workspace, click the plus button beside the workspace name. This is how you create something new. From there, create a new board for task management. A board is the core place where your tasks, assignments, deadlines, and progress will all be tracked. When prompted, enter a clear name for the board so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple projects. After your board is created, begin adding items to represent individual tasks. In monday.com, each item is essentially a single task or action that needs to be completed. Enter the task names in the first column, using short, descriptive titles so everyone can quickly understand what each task is about. Next, build out the columns that will help you manage those tasks effectively. Add a status column to track task progress. This makes it easy to see whether something is not started, in progress, stuck, or complete. Then add a people column so tasks can be assigned clearly to the right team members. After that, add a date column to track due dates and keep work moving on schedule. You'll also want to add a priority column so you can organize tasks by importance and quickly identify what needs attention first. Now, enter your tasks into the board if you haven't already, then start assigning tasks to team members using the people column. Set due dates for each task in the date column, and make sure those dates are realistic and useful for planning. As work progresses, update task statuses regularly so the board stays accurate and everyone can rely on it as a current source of information. To make the board easier to work with, use Filter to view specific tasks. This is especially helpful when you only want to see tasks for one person, one status, or a certain date range. You can also use Group By to organize tasks by status, owner, priority, or date, depending on how you prefer to review your work. Finally, switch between views like Table, Kanban, Calendar, or Timeline to manage tasks in the format that best fits your workflow. Each view gives you a different perspective, which can make planning and tracking much easier. Be sure to review and update tasks regularly so your board stays useful, organized, and actionable. Thanks for watching.